Like, let's talk about property as an investment. What do you think about like just people who invest in? I'm assuming you believe in digital assets. Is that the case? Look at you like, what do you think? What do you think about people who still like, let's say, buy land and buildings as a store of value and just investment in general?
Well, good for them. but I'm not against land. I'm against a few things that are tied to typical land investing, which is speculation. Oh, tulisikia kuna barabara itapita hapa. So unajua in the next 5 years it will be double. And I'm like, okay. So if you were to put that money into like a business, you'll make way more than that double that you supposedly will get from the land. And then, but I believe in like buying land, not if it's an investment, it's either you're going to develop it or you're going to lease it out to someone for farming or like
it's still some form of investment kind of asset.
Like, but not speculating that the value of this land will go up based on something that you had from...
That the government is going to build something here and then the value will increase times 10.
Yeah. I also believe a lot in putting money, especially when younger, putting money into things that you have a direct control over, the multipliers that make that thing work.
So explain that.
Yeah.
Explain that. I don't want to miss anything.
So let's say right now I want to become...
Assistant, are you floating or you understand what we're talking about? Okay.
Yeah. So let's say you wanted to become a good writer, for example.
Yeah.
So you could say that, you know what, I'm just going to watch all the tutorials on writing. And I mean, sure, you'll get the information, but you won't become a better writer.
Because you're not doing...
Exactly.
Yeah.
But I think if you decided, okay, you know what, I can spend 30 minutes every single day writing this particular thing, that's within your control. So what I mean by a multiplier is, let's say I know that if I just did 2 more emails, let's say I was trying to get customers for whatever business, right? And I've marketed and it's maybe just cold outreach. So I'm emailing. Cold outreach is like you're reaching out to people that do not necessarily know you. So I'll email someone and maybe I'll email 10 people, but only one person will respond, right?
Yeah.
In that situation, if the math is correct, you could say that if I spent more time to email 20 people, then I will increase the probability that I get more people. So in that case, it's within your control.
Yeah.
But if you said that, okay, your business relies on the government changing a certain law, that's not within your control.
Yeah.
It's like, I want to start selling, I don't know, like water in glass bottles because the government is getting rid of plastic.
Just pure speculation.
Yeah. I had a rumor that the government will eventually...
Yeah.
So, yes, you could take that approach. But I believe in doing things that are within your control when it comes to investments. And the whole land thing, that's what I'm saying. If you were to say, I'm going to buy this land and I think this is a fertile location, for example, and I will go look for customers, which I'll get to that shortly. I'll go look for customers for that can lease that land and farm on it, for example. So they don't want to buy land, but they want to farm.
Yeah, and then I'll just get money and then monthly or semi-annual, whatever it is.
Yeah, because I also think that the most important thing is not cash, it's cash flow. So the most important thing is not that you have the money just lying there, it's that you have a flow of money. So
no, I get you.
I'm also explaining to whoever is...
Yeah. I understand.
So, again, multiplier. Like if you have control over the multiplier, which is you're the one who can control the outcome, or at least you can do something that can affect the outcome positively, then I think you should go for it. But if you're buying the land hoping for a factor that is outside of your control...
It's too risky. It's too risky.
I don't know. I don't think it is the smartest decision you can make. That's what I would say.
We're still talking about assets. What are your thoughts on just crypto in general?